Gat Day. Let's go. We here, man. We're filling up the car right now. Finna get on the roads, man. Head to Gat right now, man. As you can see, we're filling up to eat. Boom. We just got full. And we finna hit the roads, man. It's time, and we finna get on the roads. We headed to Gat right now. Hella POVs, hella content. We in the mountains. Let's get it. All right, that's enough.
Real chance life for you, look.
About halfway there. E36 is running well. It hasn't overheated yet. It hasn't exploded yet. So I think we're in a good spot. Halfway to Gat. Let's get it.
I didn't see that, no.
All done. Freaking made it, man. Can you believe it, babe? This shit is crazy.
I can't believe it. I believe it.
We made it to Gat in the E36, man. We made it, man. The car is in one piece. It didn't blow up. My wheels didn't fall off. My wheels didn't explode. The engine didn't explode. My exhaust didn't fall down again. I made it here, basically smooth sailing. And we here, man. We in Gat right now. Got a little motel vibe. Figure out what the move is for the night, where the meat's at. We're gonna figure it out. We're finna check in, so let's get it. It's not even in PV. Everybody on the beach. Post it, man. Post it with the E36, man. We out here at a little pre-meet, catching a vibe. Out here and we outside, man. Hey, how you feel about day one?
Day one's fun. Definitely way more packed than last year, so that's cool. I like the vibes.
It's more packed than last year?
For sure.
Nah, it is for sure though. It's like double the amount of people here from last year. It's day two, man. The E made it to day two at Gat, man. Can you believe it? Check these E's out though, but these shits is clean as a motherfucker though. Just met, bro. His shit clean as fuck. I'm finna have my shit tucked, like, bro, when I get these arms. Don't worry. When I get these arms, my shit gonna be tucked.
I was gonna get my car detailed, but he charged $150. That's crazy. Black texture.
pulling up. It took us an hour to go 1 mile because there's so many cars that we can't even get into the event. They got us paying for parking. That wasn't included in the instructions manual. We made it to the event. We're gonna put the top down because it's too fucking hot. The car gonna be on fire when we come back.
Floyd gave me a Mars with this one.
Now it's time for us to go ahead and hit the roads. The police are making us leave this mountain spot we're at right now. We're about to cruise down the hill. Skylines and shit. Yeah, some movie right now. Finna cruise down the hill. Somebody getting arrested. What'd he do? What'd he do? Oh, I remember bro from last year. I remember bro from last year. Called the Lord. Sheesh. Deep is a motherfucker out here. It's a freaking movie. It's the last day. We finna head home. Gotta stop for the coffee. You know we gotta stop for the coffee. Man, that has been good. It's been good to us. I'm tired. Got the coffee, and we finna hit the mountain, head back to the city. It's been a movie, guys. It's been a movie.